there, fitness enthusiasts!
Welcome
Today
to
we're going to talk about the power of walking exercise. Did you know that walking is one of the simplest and most effective forms
Hey
of
there,
exercise?
fitness enthusiasts!
It's a low-impact
Today we're
activity
going to
that
talk
can be
about
done
the
by
power
people
of
of all
walking
ages and
exercise.
fitness levels.
Did you know that walking is one of the
Benefits,
simplest and most
such
effective
as
forms of
improving
exercise?
cardiovascular health,
It's a low-impact
strengthening
activity
bones,
that can be done by
and
people of
reducing
all
the risk
ages
of
and
chronic
fitness
conditions like
levels.
diabetes and
Walking has
obesity.
numerous health
It's also a
benefits,
great way to manage
such as
stress
improving
and improve
cardiovascular
mood.
health,
Now,
strengthening
let's
bones,
dive into some tips
and
on how to
reducing
make
the
the
risk
most
of
of your
chronic
walking
diseases like
exercise
diabetes
routine.
and obesity.
Firstly, set a goal.
It's also a great way to
Whether it's
manage
walking a
stress and
certain
improve
distance or
mood.
time or
Now,
increasing your speed,
let's dive into some
having a
tips
goal
on
in
how to
mind
make
can
the
help
most
you
of your
stay
walking
motivated and
exercise
make
routine.
progress.
Firstly, set a
Secondly,
goal.
mix it up.
Whether it's
Vary your
walking a
walking
certain
route to
distance or
include
time
different
or increasing your speed,
terrains to
having a
challenge
goal in mind can help you
your
stay
body and prevent
motivated and
boredom.
see progress.
Thirdly, make
Secondly,
it a
mix
social
it up.
activity.
Vary
Invite
your
a friend
walking
or
routes
family
and
member
include
to join
different
you on your walks.
terrains
And
to
you'll not
challenge
only
your
have
body and
someone to
prevent
keep you
boredom.
accountable,
Thirdly, make it a
but also
social
enjoy the
activity.
company.
Invite a
Fourthly,
friend or
don't
family
forget to
member
warm
to
up
join
and
you
cool
on your
down.
walks.
Start your
And
walk
you'll
with a
not
gentle
only
warm-up to prevent
have someone to
injuries,
keep you accountable,
and end with a cool
but
down
also
to help
enjoy
your
the
body
company.
transition back to rest.
Fourthly, don't forget to warm
Finally,
up and
listen
cool
to your
down.
body.
Start
If
your
you're
walk
feeling
with a gentle
pain or
warm up to prevent
discomfort,
injuries,
stop and rest.
and end with a
It's
cool down
important
to help your
avoid
body
overexertion
transition back
and
to
listen to your
rest.
body's signals.
Finally, listen to
Now
your
let's
body.
talk about some common
If you're
questions
feeling
about
pain
walking
or
exercise.
discomfort, stop
One of the
and
most
rest.
common concerns is
It's
whether
important
walking
to
is
avoid
enough
overexertion
exercise.
and listen to your body's
The answer
signals.
is yes.
Now let's talk
Walking is
about
a
some
great way
common
to maintain
questions about
overall
walking
fitness and
exercise.
health.
One of the most
However,
common
if you're
concerns is
looking
whether
to build
walking is
muscle
enough
or increase your
exercise.
endurance,
The
you
answer
might
is
need to
yes.
incorporate other forms
Walking
of
is a
exercise
great way
as
to
well.
maintain
Another
overall
question
fitness
is
and
whether it's
health.
okay to walk every day.
However, if you're looking to build
Absolutely.
muscle or increase
Walking
your
is a
endurance,
low-impact activity.
you might need to
that
incorporate
can be
other
done
forms
daily
of
without
exercise
putting
as
too
well. Another
much stress
question
on
is
your
whether
body.
it's okay to
In
walk every
fact,
day.
walking every day
Absolutely.
can help you maintain
Walking is a
a
low-impact
consistent
activity
exercise routine
that can
and
be
reap
done
the health
daily without
benefits of
putting
regular
too much
physical
stress on your
activity.
body. In fact,
Lastly,
walking
some
every
people might
day can
wonder
help
if
you
walking is a
maintain
good workout for
a
weight
consistent
loss.
exercise routine
The answer
and
is
reap
yes.
the health benefits
But
of
it's
regular
important to remember that
physical
weight loss
activity.
is a combination
Lastly,
of factors,
some people might wonder if
including diet,
walking is a good
exercise,
workout
and
for weight
lifestyle
loss.
changes. Walking
The
can
answer
help
is
with
yes,
weight loss,
but it's important to
essential
remember
to have
that
a
weight loss
balanced
is a combination of
approach and not
factors,
rely on just one
including
form of
diet,
exercise.
exercise, and
In
lifestyle
conclusion,
changes.
walking
Walking can help
exercise
with
is a fantastic way to improve your health and well-being. It's simple, effective, and can be enjoyed by people of all ages and fitness levels. So lace up your shoes, put on your favorite playlist, and hit the pavement for a walk that will do wonders for your mind, body, and spirit. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and advice. Stay healthy, stay active, and keep walking.
Ano sila? Mga ngista. Nangangawil sila guys. Ayan. Kasama yung mga daddy at baby. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh. See? You know. Pag nalakad sila, may kasamang anak. Aso. Aso guys. Aso ano po nila? Mga ayam. Ano po nila hagjagi. Yan. Yan. 65 mile. Oh. Makot siya, makot. Ang ginawa siya. Sabi ng asawa ko, hindi daw. Isa kasi malaki tao. Hindi ako maliit para sa magkot. Ayan. May sisya dito guys. Ayan. Hindi kami dito malingkuran. Ayan. Pag gusto mo mag-picnic, kami mga ako sa bata. Sliding door. Sliding door. Oh guys. Ayan. Oh my God. Ang ganda to vitamin D. May vitamin D! Kailangan natin magbawas ng calories. We need to lose the calories. Nandun kami kanina sa kapila. Dito kami. So dito na kami guys. Oh my God. Oh. Yan, squirrel. Oh, the squirrel is over there. How can she go there? That, the top of the drum. The squirrel? Oh my God. Maybe I don't know how to. That's why. Ito na guys. Ito na kami. Yan o, kala siguro pagkain. Ito na kami guys. Yung mga bahay dyan. Nagawa yan rental pag may mga birthday. Yan o. Ganda. May excited eh. May excited eh. Hindi stress. Kasama ka. Look at that one. Hi! Yan guys. Nakain ko na. Square rabbit. I'm sweating now. How about you? Napapawisan ako, guys. And then, stop here. Gonna go back there. Okay. Balik na kami, guys. Dito. Diba? Nagyap siya. Okay, guys. Yan ang spiral. Hello! I'm here! Hi! Yeah, he's not running now. Pabalik na kami, guys. Pabalik na kami. Galing doon sa kabila. Yan o. Galing kami doon sa kabila. Dito na kami na rin. Ay, na ibon o. Parang manok. Yan o, ang ganda dito, guys. Doon ang asawa ko sa baba. Ang ganda dito. Daming dito ipon. Ayan. Ang ganda. Maganda talaga ito pag summer. Ayan. Tapos pag nakita mo dito. Ang ganda. See? Oo, ganda talaga dito, guys. Makita mo dito. Ang ganda. Ang ganda yun, diba? Ang ganda tubig. Guys, balik na kami, guys. Balik na kami, guys. Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's a lot of birds, honey. Oh, oh my God. Ang dami talagang ibon, guys. Yan. Yan yun dyan. Diyan kami galing. Yan. Galing yan doon, no? Yan, no?